Imagine being able to talk to AI and getting exactly what you want, whether it's the perfect image, a video that engages with your audience on social media, a blog post in your tune, or even a business idea that fits your style. That's exactly what prompt engineering is all about. Prompt engineering is the science and art of crafting instructions that helps models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Midjourney to understand exactly what you want. In simple terms, it's learning how to talk to machines effectively. If I ask ChatGPT, write about education, I get something general. But if I say, write a 200-word blog post on how AI is transforming education in Vietnam using a friendly and motivational tune, I just engineered a prompt. So, a prompt is your message to AI. Prompt engineering is how you structure that message to get precise, creative, and complex results. Believe me, the future belongs to those who can master this.
Subscribe, share, like, and comment for the full course.